Welcome students. Today we will start with the third chapter, that is HCF and LCM. Okay. Now what is HCF? HCF, the full form of HCF is highest common factor, and the full form of LCM is least common multiples. Okay. Before we start the HCF and LCM, let's study about the co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Okay, as you all know, what is prime number, what are the prime numbers? Okay, now if I say prime numbers, then prime numbers means the prime numbers are, there is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, like that. These are the prime numbers. Okay, in the same way. Okay, then prime numbers means the number which is divisible by 1 and a number itself is known as prime number. Okay, as you are studied in standard 6th also. Okay, now what do you mean by co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers, here the definition is given. Just read the definition. That is, two numbers which have only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime or relative prime or mutually prime numbers. Okay, now two numbers which have only one as a common factor means, see here, we'll see here, if here I am writing co-prime numbers. Okay, now here if I say 10 and 21. Okay, 10 and 21, then what are the factors of 10? The factors of 10 will be factors of 10. Then factors of 10 will be 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, and next we will write the factors of 21. Then factors of 21 is 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now here you can see that the common factor is only 1. The common factor is between these two numbers, that is 1. Okay, then what is our definition? Two numbers which has only one as a common factor are said to be co-prime. Means here in these two numbers only one is a common factor. That means 10 and 21 is 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers, are co-prime number. Okay, now take the next example. Okay, here I am taking, suppose here I am taking, okay, here the second example, that is 10 and 33. Okay, now factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, then factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. And factors of 33 are is 1, 3 and 11. Okay, now here again, what is a common factor in between 10 and 33? That is 1 is a common factor. That means 10 and 33 are co-prime numbers. Okay, now I hope the co-prime numbers is clear too. Now we will start with the twin prime number. The next topic is twin prime number. Okay, now what is twin prime number? See here, if the difference between two co-prime number, if the difference between the two co-prime number is 2, the number are said to be twin prime numbers. Okay, means their difference is 2 between the two co-prime numbers. These are the co-prime number. Here the, if I subtract 21 minus 10, then what I will get here? 21 minus 10. Then here I am getting 11. Means here the difference is 11. Means these are not twin prime numbers, we from our definition the difference should be 2. Okay, now see here, take the next example, that is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay, now as you all know, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Okay, now 3, here I am, what are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 is 1 and 3, and factors of 5 is 1 and 5. Here the common factor is 1. Here the common factor is 1. Means 3 and 5 are said to be as co-prime numbers. Okay, and again the difference between these two means 5 minus 3, but the answer is 2. The answer is 2. Means 5 and 3 are twin prime numbers. 5 and 3 are twin prime numbers. Okay, is it clear? 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Based upon this, we will start with the practice set 10. Okay, now see the first question, that is, which number is neither a prime nor a composite number? As you studied in class 6, that is 5th and 6th, that is 1. 1 is neither prime, is neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. Okay, neither prime nor composite number. Clear? Now next one, which of the following are the pairs of co-prime? Now here you have to find out the pairs of co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are, as I give you the two examples, that is, if the common factors between the two number is 1, then it is said to be co-prime numbers. Then you have the first example is given as 8 and 14. 8 and 14. Then here, okay, then factors of 8 and factors of 14. Factors of 8. Yeah, 1, 8 can be divided by 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, and here the factors of 14 is 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now here see the common factors between the 8 and 14, that is 1 is common, 2 is common. Okay, means here the common factor is 1 and 2. Then here we will write common factors 1 and 2. Okay, therefore from our definition, common factors should be 1. Here the common factors are 1 and 2. That means 8 and 14 are not co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Okay, is it clear? Now take the second one, 4 and 5. 4 and 5, the factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. And 5. Then factors of 4 and factors of 5. The factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4, and factors of 5 is 1 and 5. Here the common factor is 1. Then here we will write the common factor is 1. Therefore 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Okay, here we will write as common factor is 1. Therefore 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Is it clear? Now next two, that is question number 3 and 4 from question number 2 is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, and here List, move to the next one. List the prime numbers between 25 to 100. Say how many they are. Okay, then this is your homework. As I explained in the first one, that is prime numbers are those which are divisible by 1 and a number itself are known as prime number. Then this is also your homework. Third one is also your homework. Now we will move to the next one. Write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Here you have to write the fourth one. Here you have to find out the twin prime numbers between 51 to 100. Now here you have to write all the twin prime numbers between 51 to 100. This is your fourth one. And the fifth one, write the pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Okay. Now see here, these are the numbers. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. Now from this we have to find out twin prime numbers between 51 to 100. Then from 51 to 100 these numbers are coming. Okay. Now we have to see in which two numbers the difference is 2. Now here you can see the 53 and 59. The difference is 6. Now if I take 59 and 61, the difference is 2. Then the first is 51, 61. 59 and 61. And the next one is see here 71 and 73. 71 and 73. Then next after that no numbers is having the difference is 2. That means 59 and 61 and 71 and 73 are the twin prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. Then this is your question number 4. Now see the fifth one. 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now twin prime numbers. Here 5 pairs of twin prime numbers. Then 51 to 51 also 50 you have to find out. Then your see this 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. And after that 41 and 43 are the numbers between 1 to 50. Okay. Understood? Now this you have to write here. Here I mark. And now next one, the last one, that is which are the even prime numbers. Then 2 is a even prime number. 2 is the number which is even prime number. See here, this is a even number. Then only 2 is a number which is even prime number. Here you have to write the even prime number is 2. Is it clear? I hope this practice set is clear to you. In the next we will start with the factorization. Okay, factorization, the practice at 11. And do your homework that I given to you. Okay.